For years, the electric car revolution has been dominated by Tesla and legacy automakers. But quietly, a new generation of Chinese SUVs is changing everything. Vehicles like the BYD Sea Lion 7, the Zeekr 7X, and the Li Auto L6 are redefining what affordable luxury and advanced technology really mean. These SUVs combine performance, cutting-edge features, and value in a way that traditional automakers are struggling to match. And interestingly, Canadians may benefit from these vehicles far more than Americans, thanks to trade policies and tariffs that limit availability in the United States. Today, we're taking a deep dive into three of the most exciting next-generation SUVs: the BYD Sea Lion 7, the Zeekr 7X, and the Li Auto L6. By the end of this video, you'll understand why these vehicles could completely reshape the Canadian car market. Let's start with the BYD Sea Lion 7. The BYD Sea Lion 7 is a fully electric mid-size SUV that blends sporty styling with practical family usability. At first glance, the Sea Lion 7 looks modern and aerodynamic with a coupe-like roofline and aggressive LED lighting. The front fascia has a sleek, closed grille design typical of electric vehicles, while the side profile features strong character lines and large alloy wheels. The proportions are impressive too, measuring about 4.8 meters long with a long wheelbase that gives the SUV a planted stance. The rear design is clean and futuristic, with full-width LED taillights and a sculpted tailgate that makes the SUV look premium. It doesn't scream luxury like a Mercedes, but it absolutely looks modern and upscale. Step inside, and the Sea Lion 7 starts to show why BYD has become one of the fastest-growing EV manufacturers in the world. The interior is spacious and well-built, with seating for 5 and plenty of legroom even in the rear seats. The cargo area offers around 520 liters of space, making it practical for families or road trips. One of the most interesting features is the rotating touchscreen, which can switch between landscape and portrait orientation. The SUV also includes heated and ventilated seats, wireless charging, privacy glass, and a heat pump system designed to preserve range in cold weather, something Canadian drivers will definitely appreciate. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, the BYD Sea Lion 7 uses BYD's Blade battery technology, with battery sizes around 82 to 91 kilowatt hours. Performance is impressive. Rear-wheel drive models produce over 300 horsepower, while all-wheel drive versions deliver over 500 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 4.5 seconds. That's sports car acceleration in a family SUV. Range is competitive too, with up to about 500 kilometers depending on the battery configuration. Charging speeds reach up to 230 kilowatts, allowing the battery to charge from about 10% to 80% in roughly 24 minutes. In Canada, the estimated price is around 84,000 Canadian dollars, placing it in the same category as premium SUVs, but with significantly more technology included as standard. Now, let's move to something even more advanced, the Zeekr 7X. If the Sea Lion 7 feels premium, the Zeekr 7X feels futuristic. The Zeekr 7X is one of the most technologically advanced electric SUVs currently being produced. Its design is bold and muscular with a wide stance and clean aerodynamic lines. The front end features a modern LED signature, while the body shape emphasizes performance and stability. The Zeekr 7X sits on an advanced electric platform with battery sizes up to 103 kilowatt hours and a 900-volt architecture, technology that allows extremely fast charging. Some versions can charge from 10% to 80% in about 10 to 15 minutes, which is dramatically faster than most EVs on the road today. Range is exceptional. Long-range versions can exceed 600 kilometers under realistic testing cycles and even higher under Chinese testing standards. Performance is where the Zeekr 7X becomes truly shocking. Dual motor versions produce more than 600 horsepower, while top versions approach 780 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. That puts the Zeekr 7X into supercar territory. Inside, the Zeekr 7X feels closer to a luxury flagship than a typical SUV. Expect large digital displays, premium materials, advanced driver assistance systems, and a minimalist cabin layout designed around technology and comfort. This is the kind of SUV that feels like a rolling computer. Pricing varies depending on the market, but globally it tends to land between roughly $60,000 and $90,000 depending on trim and battery size. That puts it directly against luxury SUVs from BMW and Mercedes, but with far better technology and performance. Now, let's talk about something completely different, the Li Auto L6. While the Sea Lion 7 and Zeekr 7X are fully electric, the Li Auto L6 uses a different approach called an extended range electric powertrain. That means the vehicle drives like an EV, but includes a gasoline engine that acts as a generator to recharge the battery. For Canadians, that's a huge advantage. Cold winters and long driving distances can make pure EV ownership challenging, especially outside major cities. The Li Auto L6 eliminates range anxiety almost completely. This mid-size SUV has a combined driving range of up to 1,390 kilometers when fully fueled and charged. Even in pure EV mode, it can travel more than 200 kilometers without using gasoline. Performance is strong too. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system produces about 400 horsepower and reaches 100 kilometers per hour in roughly 5.4 seconds. That's faster than many gasoline SUVs. The exterior design is clean and elegant, with a modern LED light bar across the front and a smooth aerodynamic profile. It looks upscale without being flashy. Inside, the Li Auto L6 is clearly designed for families. The SUV offers ventilated and heated seats, massaging front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and extremely spacious second-row seating. Higher trims even include features like built-in refrigerators and advanced autonomous driving hardware with LiDAR sensors. Technology is a major highlight. Dual 15.7-inch displays dominate the dashboard, supported by powerful onboard computing systems for driver assistance and infotainment. Pricing is where the Li Auto L6 becomes truly disruptive. In China, it starts around 250,000 yuan, roughly $35,000 to $40,000. That's dramatically cheaper than similarly sized SUVs from Western brands. Now here's where things get interesting. These vehicles could be far more beneficial for Canadians than Americans. The United States has imposed heavy tariffs and restrictions on Chinese electric vehicles, effectively blocking many of these models from entering the American market. Canada, on the other hand, historically has had more open vehicle import policies, meaning Canadians are more likely to see these vehicles become available. If these SUVs enter Canada at competitive pricing, Canadians could gain access to luxury-level technology at mainstream prices. Imagine buying a 500-horsepower electric SUV with advanced tech for the price of a Toyota Highlander, or getting a 1,300-kilometer hybrid electric SUV for the price of a compact luxury crossover. That's the kind of disruption Chinese manufacturers are bringing. Each of these SUVs offers a different advantage. The BYD Sea Lion 7 is balanced and practical, with strong performance and family-friendly design. The Zeekr 7X is the technology leader, with extreme performance and next-generation charging. The Li Auto L6 is the long-distance champion, perfect for Canadians who need reliability and flexibility. But the biggest advantage may be simply value. These vehicles deliver luxury-level features at prices that undercut many Western competitors. And that could change the automotive landscape completely. Because once drivers experience vehicles like the Sea Lion 7, the Zeekr 7X, or the Li Auto L6, expectations will never be the same again. The question is no longer whether Chinese SUVs are competitive. The real question is how quickly they will reshape the Canadian market. And when they arrive, they might just become the smartest car purchases Canadians can make. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for my next video. Thank you.